Well, that wasn't like that last time I was here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. Dang, that tree wasn't like that too. Oh, we gotta check that out. I'm really sorry that I haven't uploaded recently, but I hope you can kind of see why I couldn't. So we had a warm front and then had another cold front come in, and then we had a huge rainstorm for like 3 days. And the creeks were really, really high. We had really high winds for a couple of days too. And it took a week just for the water to get back down to normal level and clarity. And there's 3, 4, 5 trees down. This wasn't here. And the one up there wasn't either. So no, I didn't abandon y'all. I didn't abandon making videos or nothing. We've just had a really, really bad past 2 weeks. Oh, look at this. This wasn't here. Wow. Wow, I know these creeks have changed a lot. They've had to have with all this rain. I'm gonna lie, I'm gonna go ahead and take a cast right here. What it's done is it's pushed more rocks and mud. Yeah, this gravel right here should not be here. The real tall gravel. Look how much higher this is. Whoa. So I found this really small like swim bait jig in my panfish box that might work. I don't know. Oh, shoot. Oh, I got one. I got a fish. I think it's a bass. Look, here we go. Oh, first catch of the day. Hey, let's go. Oh, man, he's freaking out. You can get it out. There we go. Right in the corner of the mouth. What? Look at that, guys. Whoa, largemouth. Nice. First catch of the day. Beautiful largie. Let's go ahead and put him back in. There he goes. Oh, that was pretty cool. Wow. Oh. Oh, we got a fish. We do not have a fish. No. All right, we're back out here. It's day 2 of coming out to this spot because I did not get much that first day. So we're gonna see if we can get some more today. Whoa, there's some big suckers down there. Got one, got one. Ooh, I don't know what it is. It could be a rock bass, I think. Here we go. Oh, yes. There we go. I thought I saw him kind of go for it. That was cool. The same swimmer we were using yesterday. Look at that. Oh, rock bass. So glad to see these guys back out again. Really cool. All right, we're gonna slide them in right here. There we go, perfect. Perfect dive. All right. Whoa, look at all those turkeys. See? Got one. Got one. That one felt like a bass. There we go. Oh, wait, what is it? Oh, there's a lot of bass following. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all the bass. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's pretty tired out now. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that little largie. Nice little largie. I think that's our biggest largie from yesterday and today. I'm gonna go ahead and put him back because I did tire him out pretty good. He looks okay. Yeah, he's good. He knows that hook ain't in him anymore. He's good. Let's try over here. Dang, with this little swim bait that I got on here, I don't know where I got it. I think I got it out of a random tackle box that I found. But it flings on this setup. Check this out. This is gonna be a fish. 100% a fish. Just give it a second. Yeah, I got a big one. Dang it. Look at all this I gotta go through just to get up the creek. All right, so what's different up here is all this gravel that's not underwater used to be underwater. It used to be flat through here. If you've been with the channel for a while as well, I found Tom right here. If you know who Tom is, he was the silver carp that was like 18, 15 pounds. Found him right here where the gravel should have been not wet, and I released him back over here by this log in the water, and he went downstream. Got one. That one's a bass too. Oh, look at this. Here we go. He's an all right bass. Look at that. Look at this. It's a smallie. Oh, there we go. He's decent too. Look at that. Whoa, he threw himself on the bank. There we go. Look at that. I had to put on a different jig head because I keep losing my lures. But look at that bass. Look at that smallie. Beautiful smallie. Oh, check this out. He has no fin on this side, but he does have one on the other side. Man, that sucks. I'm telling you, this storm has really messed up these fish. Not really bad because they're still eating good. He's a little pudgy, so he's been eating good. But it's changed their whole habitat, everything. All right, let's go ahead and try to get this guy a release. Oh, there he goes. See if we can catch anything here. See, this wall was never here. This wall of gravel was never here. Oh, got something. Got a bass. It's another bass. Oh, look at that. There we go. Man, this one is energetic. Woo. There we go. Feisty little guy. Another little smallie. Nice. Put him back. Man, he is feisty. All right, I think we're gonna come around this corner, hit one more spot that I remember being a little deep. See if it changed. Well, this was the hole right here. Keyword was, and I don't see anything in it. All right, time to head back downstream. All right, guys, well, I came back upstream. Couldn't get anything else to bite, so I think I'm gonna call it for today. And I think I'm gonna bring my bass set up, because I mean, that's really all I was catching was bass. I thought I was gonna get more sunfish than anything. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.